Today, I am going to show you how to make a TikTok color picking trick. So this is how you ought to do it, and these are for you to exact those colors that which can be expanding them in on the screen, and it's really useless to pick a color for this hacking trick. Alright, so let's get started. Before we're gonna get started, we're gonna select the canvas size and set it to it doesn't matter whichever size that we will be making for this digital art project. So I'm gonna go for the screen size because mine is iPad 7, it is 10.2 inches. So I'm gonna tap it here. That looks perfect. Okay, so the first thing you need, so you don't need to use brushes. We can just make a real TikTok color picking trick. Yeah, a very fun one. So all you have to do is to press the magic wand button and pick noise. And don't forget to set it to ridges. Okay. So make sure you do not need to adjust the scale and the octaves, set it to none, and the turbulence. Okay, so we're going to set the noise up to 100%. That can be better. All right, make sure you set it to single. All right, so the next one we're gonna do is press the glitch and set this as diverge, and make sure you should decrease the red shift, the green shift, and the blue shift. It doesn't matter if those shifts will set it as to 0%. And oops, sorry guys, I just forgot something, but that's okay, we can just go overhead. Okay, so I have an idea, guys. Use artifact, select artifact, and you should set this up to 100% like that. And don't forget to decrease, let's say less than 7% for red shift and blue shift. And for green shift should be more than about, 7% as well. Okay. So not bad for those. And don't forget to tap the magic wand again and press the liquefy button. Set it to expand. Set the pressure to max. And do not set the distortion and the momentum. Leave it as none. And for the size, I can just go play whatever this. Yay, it can be either 70% or it can be rather like 80%. Whatever works is for the expanding size between 70% and 80%. And now let's make sure how it happens. Wow! That is so cool. That seems to be like a useless color picking trick there. Alright. So if you wanna go for it again, pick reset. And let's do this again. Let's see. Wow, that looks so beautiful. Yeah. I guess if you tried it before, Had you ever tried this art hack before? Yeah, I guess if you may remember by that. And once if we can all know that, it's not just in Procreate. You can do like some of the other digital art apps or any other websites that you can look up to make this method so that it looks really fun. Alright guys, so I hope you can enjoy this tutorial video about making a TikTok color picking trick, the time lapse, as you can see by that, because I can remember a lot of people can do this method, but not just here in Procreate, just like what I told you from earlier. Okay, so make sure you like this video, and don't forget to click the red subscribe button so that you could get more informations onto your phone or can be on your computer. Yeah, I guess phone might be better if you're using them handy dandy. So I'm gonna do one last color picking trick and time for me to leave.